Welcome back. It's a video on pronouns. Press a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Share my videos with your friends who are enthusiastic about French language like you. But definitely today we are going to learn pronouns, French pronouns. Today we will have some questions in the beginning of the video, and at the end of the video I will give you the answers. Here's the first question for you. We are playing with dad. Dash jouons avec papa. Put the correct pronoun. Number 2. Monica, Lisa et Jeanne écrivent une lettre. Monica, Lisa and Jeanne are writing a letter. You need to replace the subject with a proper pronoun. Number 3. Monica, Lisa et Robert rencontrent leur professeur. You need to replace the subject with a proper pronoun. Monica, Lisa and Robert are meeting with their teacher. In this video, I will tell in details about French pronouns, the subject pronouns, pronom sujet. A sentence has 3 fundamental parts: subject, verb and object. Sujet, verbe et objet. The pronouns in general replace the nouns, and when they are placed in the position of your subject, they are called subject pronouns. Les pronoms sujets. Get ready with your notebook and a pen, and voila! We will learn 9 personal pronouns which are placed in the place of a subject, and they are called subject pronouns. Je, I, tu, you, il, he or it, elle, she or it, on, one, someone, we, they, you, and sometimes this pronoun is also used to imply the passive sense in a sentence. For example, the door is closed. On ferme la porte. Nous, we, vous, you, il, they, masculine, elle, they, feminine. So I am repeating once again all the pronouns: je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. All the meanings are given on the screen. Please note them down. Now some quick notes. On is an abstract pronoun which is very typical pronoun in French. On means you, we, they, one, someone. I'm giving you some examples. Example number 1. As they say, every cloud has a silver lining. Comme on dit, après la pluie, le beau temps. The door was closed. On a fermé la porte. Passive sense is implied. By the way, if you have not seen the videos on basic French expressions, please press on this I button. I will add the part 1 of that video here. And next is the difference between tu and vous. Both of them mean you. Tu refers to someone of your age who might be younger than you, who might be your family member, your friend, your neighbor, or someone very close to you. Vous refers to someone elderly, whom you meeting for the first time, or someone very respectable. For example, a teacher, an advocate, or a doctor. You understood the meanings of tu and vous. Tu is informal you and vous is formal you. And now let me tell you, tu is only singular you, and vous could be used as both singular and plural you. Now, the answers for the questions which I have asked in the beginning of the video. Nous jouons avec papa. Nous means we. Number 2, elle. As the subject only includes the female members. Elles écrivent une lettre. They are writing a letter. Number 3, il. As the subject includes both male and female members. Ils rencontrent leur professeur. They meet their teacher. If the subject includes at least one male member, the entire subject is considered as masculine. Ils rencontrent leur professeur. they meet with their teacher. So here was my video on subject pronouns. If you have not seen my videos on verbs and présent, please go and check out. And always remember, la langue française c'est très facile. Until next time, au revoir.